Hello, I am very excited to see you very soon in the challenge. Before we start, I really recommend that you check this video because it will help us save time so we can get to focus on the fun bit, which is playing Qanun. So, today's video is about the plectrum. So it's very important as a beginner that you choose the right type of plectrum. The plectrum that you should use should be flexible, so it should be bendable. Mine isn't. Mine is a professional Qanun player's plectrum. So see, it's completely hard, you can't bend it. Yours need to be bendable, okay? In terms of its width, it needs to be roughly the same as mine, so that's about 1.5 centimeter wide. Do not get very thin plectrums. That is not going to give you enough support to pluck the strings. Okay, let's talk about length. Length. So mine is about a 10 centimeter long, and the length of the plectrum will depend really on the length of how long your fingers are. Okay, so like a good indication is that if you're holding your plectrum against your finger like that, you need about 1.5 centimeters of plectrum as an extension to the finger. Okay, so about this much needs to be out, because that more than that or less than that is not going to give you enough support. Okay, so let's talk about this, the ring. Okay, so the ring has two sides. So you have a narrower side, and then you have a wider side, though, and the wider side is usually marked by like an oval shaped just sort of design, or yours can be plain, it depends. So this is how mine looks like. So you are going to hold the plectrum like this, look. So the narrower bit, you're gonna hold it away from your body, and the wider bit, you're gonna hold it closer to your body. And then you're gonna hold your plectrum like that, see? And then you're gonna insert your index finger inside. So, do you see this? This is good. This is good. More or less than this is not enough. Okay? So when you're wearing the plectrum, this must be tight enough to hold your plectrum in place, but it shouldn't be so tight that your finger goes numb or goes green. That's a problem. Don't do that. Okay? Make sure that you spend enough time to get it comfortable, and that can take a while, I can tell you. Okay, so get somebody with strong hands if you don't have strong hands yourself, and let them help you with that, right? Yeah, in terms of how comfortable it is, the risha, this is called risha, by the way, and this is the ring. So you need to be able to slightly, do you see this joint here? You should be able to bend it slightly. So if it's so further back, if the plectrum is so further back that you can't bend, that's a problem. Okay, you should be able to bend this joint ever so slightly. Okay, so, and spend time with this. Often you get, I am right-handed, so my right index finger is actually thicker than my left index finger. So don't assume that, okay, you fixed it for one, therefore it's just going to be the same thing. Nah, just test it on both fingers. So make sure you get this right before the workshop, because it will save time, and we are going to be ready to just play. I will share one more or maybe two more videos about things to prepare ahead of our challenge. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.